Wife bird, fast, sharp, whispery but loud. Chip, 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 chip. Oh, so now you fly home. Chip, do you know what time it is? Chip, chip. The sun is down, the worms are cold, and I've been sitting on these eggs alone. Husband bird, tired, defensive. Babe, listen, I was just... Wife bird, interrupting right in his ear. Chip, 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 chip. Just what? Just accidentally stop at the bird bar? Just lose track of time with the pigeons? Chip, because I saw you gliding in, real casual. Husband bird, I brought food. Wife bird, angrier chirps. Chip, chip, chip. Oh, wow, he brought food. Do you want a medal or a Nest of the Year award? Husband bird, quiet. I can sleep on the other branch. Wife bird, sweet but terrifying. Soft chip. Oh no, you're sleeping right here. So I can remind you, chip, every single morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe.